best supported websites for mechanical engineers. Mechanical engineers are an important part of the workforce. They are in charge of designing, developing, testing, constructing, and operating machinery, so they must have a good support system in place where they can get help when they need it the most. In this video, we will go through some websites that provide support for mechanical engineers in various ways. It is important to note that a mechanical engineer has a range of skills from analysis to design to drafting. They may work in a variety of fields such as manufacturing, power generation, biotechnology, aerospace, and many others. Remember, aerospace and defense is the current hot topic or the subject of interest nowadays. Mechanical engineers may also specialize in other specific areas such as control systems or robotics. Such websites for mechanical engineers can help to provide a wide range of information on a variety of topics within this field. Section 1. Best Resources as a Learning Platform. This section provides information about mechanical engineering websites that provide study programs, courses, tips, tutorials, and resources for engineers. NPTEL. NPTEL provides free educational content. It is an initiative of the Ministry of Human Resource Development Department of the Government of India. It has been delivering lectures since 1998. It has over 5,000 video lectures on topics like engineering, science, health sciences, maths, social sciences, and languages. This course on fixed-wing unmanned aerial vehicles is very fascinating for a defense and design enthusiast like me. MIT OpenCourseWare. It provides more than 2,200 courses on all topics that are graduate and postgraduate level. The method of conduct of the course may differ from the NPTEL, but the motto is after all the same. Udemy. Besides core engineering subjects, a mechanical engineer might need to skill up some spoken or computer language, or a 3D modeling software or a rendering software, or might be an editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, these all courses are available in Udemy. Not for free every time, but there are huge discounts on courses that you can start learning for cheaper prices. EDX. EDX is another learning platform where you can learn both the core subjects and the most trending topics in particular subjects. Section 2. 3D Modeling, Analysis, and Design Solution-Based Platforms. GrabCAD. On this platform, you can check out some cool projects and tutorials on how to design and fabricate the parts using 3D modeling skills and common sense. This is just one of the cool projects where they have fabricated a ceiling lamp decorated as the airplane propeller. Using the GrabCAD library, one can easily search for a 3D model or a part file of the components. GrabCAD also conducts some professional design challenges, partnered with industry associates as a talent hunt competition. Traceparts. Tracepart is another 3D modeling support website, but it's confined to the CAD library only. It will provide you with the exact size of the model of the required mechanical product, ranging from the screw or a nut bolt or any other fasteners in the brake systems, clutches, and much more standard components of any system. You can download such 3D models in any format required for your commanding software. Not only that, it will give you the data, like load ratings and various limiting conditions of the components. It is truly a design library for mechanical engineers. Ansys. Everyone knows about the Ansys. They already know that India will win this World Cup match against Pakistan. Ansys is a free, 3D simulation software for students with a learning platform. It is the most advanced and precise simulation software. Mind me, I said precision, not accurate. The learning module of Ansys is the best for any graduate to level up their designing skills and bring them to the platform. SIMSCALE. SIMSCALE is a cloud computing-based simulation software, or we can say, a web portal, which may seem a futuristic concept in design validation. But it's true, on SIMSCALE any type of static or dynamic simulation can be done, such as thermal, structural, or fluid dynamics. The precision of the simulation output may be debatable as compared to Ansys, but it is a smart approach for design engineers. SIMSCALE also has many simulation projects, which offers itself as a learning platform for engineering students and entry-level design professionals. Section 3. Project-based study and informational platforms. The Engineering ToolBox. This is the design data book for all mechanical engineers. It consists of all the properties of every physical or chemical concept of matter. You can even check out the conversion calculators given besides the central page data. Engineer's Edge. It is kind of similar to that of the toolbox, but also provides all the formulae and the equations for problem solving and conceptual understandings on every little topic. NevonProjects.com. Whether you are a mechanical or an electronics engineer, this website will blow your mind with suggestions for your final thesis project, of your bachelor's, or even post-graduation. It has a list of several DIY projects in which you can design, fabricate, and test the components you choose to develop. On their YouTube channel, you can search for any sustainable DIY projects like this, the solar-powered systems, and small-scale machines. Instructables.com. Instructables is the web portal only for the DIY projects, generally not for any core design projects for your thesis or so. This was the most fascinating project I saw on the portal, in which a readily available car's alternator is used to recharge and drive the e-bike. Engineering magazines. If you want to keep updated yourself about the current developments and trends in the mechanical industry sector, then these are some of the most popular and useful magazines right now. The manufacturer will keep you updated on the areas of digital transformations, industrial data, and robotic automation in the manufacturing sector. It is a perfect resource for any OEM industry employee to stay updated in the sector. MEM UK is another magazine for manufacturing and engineering enthusiasts. It covers vast areas related to engineering sectors and offers the latest updates in technological advancements. Here we have some awesome magazines to download for free on the website. YouTube channels. Of course, YouTube is the most useful tool to grasp a vast amount of knowledge, ranging from this information video on mechanical engineering to the challenges faced in the quantum computing world. Have I gone too far? No, I'm not. There are some awesome channels on YouTube, apart from mine obviously, like Interesting Engineering, Engineering Explained, Veritasium, Real Engineering, and so on. These channels will keep you updated about interesting engineering topics and knowledge through interactive audio visuals. Engineering forums. There are lots of forums available on the internet. Some of them we have covered already in this video, like Ansys and SIMSCALE. But here are some other forums to get your questions covered by experts and professors in the particular area of expertise. Core.com, MechanicalENGG.com, EngineeringClicks.com. Some honorable mentions at sme.org. There are a variety of engineering books, journals, and conference proceedings available on this website. The most important ones are the codes and standards, which are American. Even if the courses on this website are not free, the content is. If you want the documents on Indian standards and codes about any mechanical or civil product, you can definitely visit the website bis.gov.in. These are the websites that I think are the most important in the career of any mechanical engineering graduate. Comment down below if you want me to cover any specific topic from the field of mechanical engineering. A quick info about me. I am a mechanical design engineer and an engineering enthusiast who is right now on this YouTube platform to spread awareness about the exciting opportunities in the evergreen field of mechanical engineering. Thank you.